Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. We have another set of assignment from the Sadhana worksheet 2. So let me read the question for you. Explore and find the hidden words inside the grid based on the clues. So I think they're given some word grid here. Yeah, the word grid here, and we need to read the clues and we need to find the answer from the word grid. Let me go for the first one. The condition of atmosphere at a particular place and the time is at a particular place. The atmosphere condition at a particular place and time. They're talking about particular place and time. So it is definitely weather. Weather is going to stay for one day, right? It's not going to stay for a pretty long time. So weather, W. Okay, I'll see anywhere weather. Okay, I see weather here in diagonal. Weather, yes. Fine, good, perfect. Okay, let's go back and find the other clue. Dash is a common average weather condition over a long period. So here this is a short period, this is a long period. Long period is climate, right? Let's see where I can find climate here. C. I need to find C here. Yeah, climate. I can find the climate here. Clear? Let's go back. Hot zone is also known as, hot zones are called as torrid zone also. Okay, where you find hot zones you find in the equatorial region, right? So torrid zone. Let's see where is T. First you check out for the T first. T. I don't find anywhere torrid. T here again. Here torrid zone. Torrid zone. Hot zones are also called as torrid zone, right? Let's go for the next clue. Dash is the coldest part of the earth. So what is the coldest zone actually? Coldest zone is called as frigid zone. F. Frigid zone is also called as. So in Arctic and Antarctic you find the frigid zone, right? So find out where is F. Do you find anywhere F? Just check out. Frigid zone. Torrid zone is over. Now frigid zone or fridge zone. Yes, I find here. Find here frigid zone. Clear children? It's very interesting if you just know the answers and if clues are very easily given so that you can find the answers. Okay, next, the temperature decreases with the increase in. The temperature decreases with the increase in. The temperature decreases when you increase in altitude, right? Altitude nothing but when you go upwards. Okay, altitude. So let's see where is A. I can find very easily altitude here. Altitude. The temperature decreases when you increase in the height. Okay. So let's go back for the other clue. The last clue. Dash is a moisture present in the air. Dash is a moisture present in the air. It is humidity. Okay. It's the humidity which is present in the air, even the water vapor. Find out where is H. Okay, humidity. I can find humidity here. So we've got the 6 clues, I think. There are 6 here. Let's check out whether we have completed 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The 6 clues have been completed. Okay. Now what is this? Match the weather condition of the following places with the weather icons. Okay. There's some weather condition and they're given some icons of the weather. We need to match it up. Okay. And now what is this? It is very hot in Jodhpur. So some icons are given. Let's see whether we are able to. So very hot in Jodhpur. Jodhpur is in Rajasthan, right? So meter thermometer, the temperature should go upwards. Okay. So this is temperature is going upwards. So C is the option. This is the icon for this question. It is very cold in Ladakh. The temperature decreases in thermometer. The temperature decreases. So this E is the option. Very interesting, it is given for you. It rains heavily in Shillong. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya, right? It's raining heavily in Shillong. So where is rain? Yes, this icon A. Beautifully is given. It's very interesting. Next one. It is partially cloudy in Delhi. It is partially means these little clouds. It is partially cloudy in Delhi. So where are the clouds? I can find this is as a cloud, little cloud. So because sun is hiding a little bit, so B is the option. There is a snowfall in Shimla. So snowfall is similar during the winter season. So where is snowfall? This. Stars given just like a snowfall. It's beautiful. The icons are very beautifully described for you people. So I think this is very easily for you to identify with the help of the icons. Okay. This is for the Jodhpur, the temperature is increasing, the temperature decreasing is this, and Shillong for the A option, partially cloudy, this is B option, and snowfall is this option. I think this is very clear for you, and you can make use of this. You know, this is what observation skills are you're getting by that. There's no name is given, just you need to find out the icons and you need to answer with the help of this. I hope this assignment is very clear for you children. Thank you. Thanks a lot.